10th class student exercise 12.1 area related to circles. Question number 1 is two circles are given. First circle is radius 19 semi and second circle is radius of 9 semi. Find the radius of another circle which circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of given two circles. Circle first and circle second. Radius is first circle is 19 semi. Second circle is radius of 9 semi. Are given in question circumference formula is 2 pi r, where r is radius of circle. 2 into note value of pi r is equal to 19. After multiply 19 to the 38 pi semi is circumference first circle, as second circle is circumference second circle. 2 pi r2 is formula where r2 is radius of circle. 2 into pi into 9, r2 value is 9 semi, 9 to the 18 semi, 18 pi semi is circumference of the second circle. According to question, circumference of circle another circle is equal to sum of both sum of circle sum of circumference of both circle which radii are given. Circumference of another circle is formula is 2 pi r is equal to sum of 38 pi plus 18 pi. After plus 2 pi r is equal to, after plus 38 pi add 56. 56 pi r is equal to, we want to find the radius of another circle. तो 56 pi upon 2 pi, 2 pi divided by 28 r is equal to 28 semi. Question number first is complete. Question number second is, question number 2 is, two circles are given which radius is this time is area equal of this. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, radius of first circle is 8 semi. Second circle is 6 semi. 8 semi and 6 semi are two circles given in question. Area is equal to area of circle pi r is formula, pi is pi. Note, put the value of pi r is equal to 8. After square 8 8 ja 64 pi. Semi square is area of first circle, as area of second circle is equal to pi. R2 is formula, pi value is pi, R2 value is 6. 6 square after squaring 36 pi. Semi square is the area of second circle. According to question, area of another circle is equal to sum of area of both circles. Which radii are given? Area is pi r square is equal to 64 pi plus 36 pi. After plus pi r square is equal to 100 pi. R square is equal to 100 pi upon pi. Pi divided by pi. R is equal to under root 100. After under root 10 semi is another circle radius. Question number 2 is complete. Question number 4. Question number 4 is a wheel is shape of circle, diameter is 80 semi. Question number 4 is diameter of wheel shape is circular is equal to 18 cm. Radius of wheel is equal to 80 upon 2 divided by 2 is equal to 40 cm. So this wheel radius is 40 cm. Circumference of wheel mean circumference of circle. 2 pi r is formula 2 into 22 upon 7. R value is 40. After multiply 176 semi is circumference. We find the circumference of wheel. Circumference revolution, one revolution or one round of the wheel. The speed of a car is equal to 66 km per hour. How many complete the revolution does wheel make? 10 minutes. We find the how many round be a wheel in 10 minutes. Which speed change into, then circumference is semi, speed is in km. 66 into 1000 upon 60, 6 11 जा 66, 11,000 meter per minute. Another change, cover distance by wheel in 10 minutes is equal to 11 into 10, 11,000 meter per minute. Number of revolution by wheel is equal to circumference is upon and distance is equal to 11,000 change into meter multiply by 100. After 11,000 into 100 multiply by to make the meter change into semi into 7 upon 1760 0 by divide 11 6 1100 4 से divide after 4 25 4 divide by 125 25 into 25 into 7 625 into 7 75 43 round in 10 minutes 4,375 round take the by wheel in 10 minutes. Question number 4 is complete. Question number 5. Question number 5 is multiple choice question is if the parameter of circle and area of circle is are numerical equal, so let the radius of circle is equal to x semi perimeter or circumference perimeter of circle is equal to 2 pi r is formula. So perimeter of circle 2 pi x semi is parameter of that circle. Then area of that circle is equal to pi r square is formula. Pi r value is x. Pi x square semi square is area of circle. According to question, perimeter of circle equal area of circle into by 1 perimeter of circle 1 upon 1 area of circle. We find the circumference perimeter 2 pi x semi is parameter pi x square is area 1/1 is number. Pi divided by pi, x divided by 2/x is equal to 1/1. After cross multiply, x is equal to 2. X, let is the then radius of circle, that circle will be 2 semi or 2 unit. 2 unit is the A is the correct answer. Question is complete. Thank you.